What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On this video I wanted to show you some of the reflective vinyl that I've been putting on the car. Just something that I kind of saw and I said, hey, why not go for it? So I've been doing it. So I want to do these first shot kind of in the daylight to kind of sort of see the difference, and then at night we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how it really pops. It looks really nice though. So first I'm going to walk around, first show you what is reflecting and what's not, and then we'll go from there. So we'll start off first over here with the logo. So this part here is actually reflective, and then the rest of the stripe is not. So this is kind of just a normal vinyl that I got, and then again we went with the reflective on the logo right here. And then if you work your way down here, the pinstripes, this is all reflective. And then right here, this little decal that I have back here, the city of Chicago, that's also reflective. You can see here in the light. It's kind of cool. You can kind of see that. It's pretty cool. And then again, same thing over here. Again, same thing. And if you go down to the side skirt, same thing. It's all reflective red. Take a look at it. And as far as the side mirrors, this is just a regular red vinyl, so nothing really special about that. I didn't want to go reflective on it. I may change my mind down the road, but right now I'm just going to stay put. And we'll walk to the front of the car. So the bottom splitter, that pinstripe, that's reflective. The splitter rods, those are reflective. This middle part right here, that's also reflective, so you can see there. And then what I also did, which I'm pretty happy about, is I actually did put some black reflective on the inside of the wheel. So I made it black. I was thinking about doing it red, but I just thought red would have stood out way too much, so I went with black. So right now it looks normal, but again, once the light hits it, it shines. It's pretty cool, especially at night. I'm going to try to get a rolling shot of them at night so you kind of see. But I just did the rear wheels for now. Then I'm going to do the fronts down the road. Alright, so that's how it looks like during the day. We're going to come back a little bit and I'm going to start shooting at night, and you can kind of see the difference with it. Again, it looks really nice, guys. So towards the end of the video, I'll drop the link down of the vinyl place where I got all the vinyl. Again, I did it all myself, so saving the labor. You know, it just, you know, something different, something kind of unique. I know this reflective vinyl is kind of hitting the market a lot stronger than it was before. So again, great idea, guys. Give it a shot, and then we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, guys, here we are back again. It is now dark. I'm gonna turn on my light on my GoPro and show you the reflective. Gonna go bright, and there we go. That's pretty cool. Forgot to add, this is also reflective as well. You can see that. Again, the side skirts and the wheels. logo. Then we have the wicker bill. Then we have the decal on the back of the city. Again, back logo. Wheels. Let me see if I can turn it down. Go. A little better. There you have it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a light show. Alright guys, that's it. So again, I'll be adding some more reflectors to the car. Just want to give you a little touch of where we're going. Can't forget that right there. Appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.